ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. Breaking my regular mode of being silent on social media for a month. Today, an auspicious occasion of Navami in Revati Nakshatram, moon in Revati Nakshatram, end of last Nakshatram, sun in 120 degrees on the other side, along with Buddha. Yesterday's Buddhashtami leading to some study and discussion on the Ashtanga Yoga Siddhi, Dasakam from Sriman Narayaniyam. So, Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. So, the topic of discussion, generally people say Bhakti means they don't need to worry about the yoga or anything. So, one of these Bhakti Rasa Pradhana Granthas, Sriman Narayaniyam. So bhaktas vehemently argue that all this yoga or the other sadhanas of Vedanta, all those things need not be considered. But that is not true exposition. The great sage Narayana Bhattatri, who authored Sriman Narayaniyam, which is Bhakti Rasa Pradhana Grantham, but the fourth Dasakam, the very initial stage of the Dasakam. A Dasakam normally consists of 10 slokas, but a Dasakam with 15 slokas, he explains the Ashtanga Yoga Varnana and Yoga Siddhi. So today, as the Guruvara, Guru Garu is driving me to the office, so I thought I will make use of the few minutes on the way to read that out with a bit of broken English explanation to integrate the yoga, Ashtanga Yoga with Bhakti Marga as per Narayana Bhattatri. It is not but interpretation is mine. It is subjected to all sorts of defects and stuff like that. So all those belong to this Ahankara, this capability of study and understanding. So fourth Dasakam, Ashtanga Yoga, Yoga Siddhi Varnana is what we'll go through now. Kalyatam mama kurushva tavatim kalyate bhavad upasanam yeya spashtam ashtavidha yoga charyaya pushtaya sutava tushtim apnuyam. So for the sake of doing upasana, we request. So basically I request, we request. Kalyatam mama kurushva, make me healthy. So why I should have health is to kalyate bhavad upasanam yaya. So only when healthy I can do the upasana of you. Spashtam ashtavidha yoga charyaya, eightfold path of yoga pushtayasu. So by fulfilling me, giving energy to do that, tushtimapniyam, by that I will get the grace of you. This is how the thing starts. Brahmacharya dhrudhatadhibhir yamaihi aplavadini niyamaischa pavitaha. So by the yamas of internal purity and niyamas aplavadini, taking bath every day and stuff like that, niyamaischa pavita, by purifying internally and externally. Kurmahe dhrudamaimi sukhasanam. I will either take a sukhasanam, which will give a long time sitting capability so that I can do the rest of the stuff. Pankaja api va pankaja adyam api va bhavat para. For taking you as the para, taking your tattva to the highest level, I will either use Padmasana or Sukhasana. Padmasana Adi Sukhasana and Padmasana Adi asanas. So asanas has been brought. The Yama, Niyama, Asana, 3 angas have been taught. Taramantara Nuchincha Santatam Pranavayur Abhiyamya Nirmala Indriyani Vishayadhapa Prutat Asmahe Bhavad Upasanon Mukha. For doing your Upasana, Pranavayur Abhiyamya, I will control my breathing, pranayama, by purifying the pranas through pranayama, indriyani vishayadhi apahruta. So by by bringing back the indriyas from their natural tendency to go behind their vishayas. So good listening ears will seek listening good music, like that. Instead I will bring it back to get into your upasana. And taramantaramachintya, so taking a taraka mantra. So people say taraka mantra, there are multiple taraka mantras. So he has not said this mantra or that mantra. Picking up a taraka mantra, continuously doing the chintana of the taraka mantra, then doing pranayama, then doing pratyahara, bringing the indriyas back. So pranayama, pratyahara. Here actually Narayana Bhattacharya includes a mantra yoga. So taraka mantra need to be continuously recited inside. So that is what it will do. Asputeva pishite prayatnato dharayema dhishanam muhurmuhu tena bhakti rasamantaradrata matvahema bhavadangri chintakaha. Now he says dhyana. He describes the dhyana. Asputeva pishi, even though hazy, even though not sputa, not clear. Prayatnato dharayema, by effort we bring that rupa into dhishana muhurmuhu, into my dhi, into my memory. I bring that such a, even though hazy, even though not clear picture, I bring it again and again. We bring it again and again. Tena bhakti rasam mantarardhrata, by bhakti rasa, filling it with the rasa of essence of devotion, bhakti rasa. So antar ardhrata, inside my inside instrument ardhrata, it should start melting. So it has a lot of strong things. So those strong notions, everything should melt. Rasamantra ardhrata matvahema bhavadangri chintaka, by chintana of your angri, your lotus feet, we with effort put your even a hazy picture of your tattva into our minds and do the dharana. So after pratyahara, dharana comes in. Visputavayava bheda sundaram tadvapu suchira silanavasat asramam manasi chintayamahe dhyana yoga niratas twadasrayaha. So by doing this, visputavayava bheda sundaram, so we will realize, establish in the clear avayava bheda sundaram, in every limb of you, every guna of you, the bliss is filled. Avayava bheda sundaram tadvapu suchira silanavasat, for long establishing, having looked at, having realized, having kept the mind stable in this particular your frame, your image, your reference, we get into the dhyana yoga. Dhyayatam sakala murti midrusim, this is saguna dhyana. Dhyayatam sakala murti midrusim, by doing the saguna dhyana, unmishan madhura ta rutatmanam, so our hearts will be opened and filled with sandra moda rasa rupamantaram, sandra moda, dense. So this work also starts with this same sandra nandavabodhatmakam. So he the author, the Bhattatri, great sage, he always uses this sandra anandam, sandra moda rasam. Sandra means dense bliss, and essence of that dense bliss is filled in our hearts. Brahma rupa maiteva bhasate, so nirguna parabrahma will be avabhasate, will be shown to us in our hearts. So this is where the dhyana goes into the samadhi. Tat samasyadana rupinim sthitim tat samadhi mai vishwanayaka asrita puratara parichyuta varabhemahi cha dharanadikam. So having established in samadhi of this nirguna parabrahma, we will get established in this samasyana adana rupinim, so that this kind of a rupa we will get established, this sthiti we will reach. But whenever we fall, whenever we fall from that sthiti, again we will take your charanas and your lotus feet and do the dharana. The same process, dharana dhyana samadhi, will be going around in the loop, so that we will never come out of this this sthiti of samadhi. Ittamabhyasa nirbarolasat त्वत्परात्म सुखकल्पितोत्सवाः मुक्तभक्तकुलमौलितां गता सञ्चरेम सुखनारदादिवत्. So we will be entering into the group of Sukha and Narada, Sukha Maharshi and Narada Maharshi Adivat. Sukha Naradadivat Mukta Bhakta Kulam, Mukta Bhakta Kulam, the group of Mukta Bhaktas, those who are liberated devotees. Mukta Bhakta Kulam. An example, he is saying Sukha Naradadivat, Sancharema. We go around there along with them. So we reach that kind of a state. So proper Ashtanga Yoga has been described. Tvat Samadhi Vijayet Tuyaha Punarmankshuka Moksharasika Kremenava Yoga Vasya Manilam Chadasrayai Unnayatyaja Sushumnaya Senai. Having attained this Samadhi Sthiti, the victory into this Samadhi Sthiti, then those who are interested in the Krama Mukti, they will slowly raise the Kundalini Shakti, Sushumnaya Senaihi, Shadasrayai, which is having 8 different asrayas or the ashramas, the dwelling places, slowly raising that all the 6 Sushumnaya through the Sushumna, Senaihi, slowly it will rise. Lingadehamapi Santyatannatho liyate tvai pare niragraha urdhaloka kutukitu murthataha sardhameva karanair niriyate. So, having reached this kind of this thing, Sajjo Mukti is also possible. So, immediately those who taking the Linga Deha, they will get it and go. That is the people who wanted immediate merger, they will be able to bring all the Karanas, everything, Antakarana into all the external Karanas in Antakarana, Linga Deha. Leaving that Linga Deha also, they merge in you. But otherwise, they go through the Agni, path of Agni and whatever is being described in Bhagavad Gita. Then Sloka 11th onwards, 15th, it explains the Krama Mukti Marga. It is also important. But in the interest of time, I am not going through step by step here. So basically what happens is they can go step by step, they can freely reach any loka of Dirchayis and Archiradi Gati Midrusim Vrajan Vichutin Bhajate Jagatpate Sachitatmaka Bhavat Gunodayanucharanta Anilesha Pahimam. O Anilesha, so Guruvayupuradhisha Pahimam, protect us. So those who take this Krama Mukti go step by step into different lokas of Brahmaloka, like on the Bhuloka, Bhavarloka, Suvarloka, Mahaloka, Janaloka, Tapaloka, Swargalokas, and they will also reach the same place and they will not be born again. So, Swasti, this is Ashtanga Yoga, Yoga Siddhi of Sriman Narayaniyam, which integrates the Bhakti and Yoga very clearly into one integrated path. Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Swasti.